Yeah.
By the third year, I was so like just done. I want this to be over with.
Yeah.
It's more of an endurance race than anything else.
Yeah.
Just got to make it to the finish line.
Yeah.
A roundabout ahead. We're gonna go straight,
Okay.
and you'll have a right lane to move into here with the signal.
Like right now?
Right here.
Oh, here.
Yeah. And now you can cancel your signal, and you're okay in this lane to go straight.
Is the other lane not for...
Yeah, they can go straight as well, but it's safer if you use this lane because you're away from the active lane, the one that traffic goes through the circle in.
Okay, accelerating?
Accelerating to 70. This guy here, he's suing the city. Apparently this roadway was built on his land.
Huh.
He's suing them for like millions of dollars.
Nice. Kept his eye out there.
Yeah. Somebody dropped the ball at the city.
Yeah. They're getting fired.
Could you imagine?
Some intern.
Yeah. And we're going to keep going straight at this circle here too.
Yeah. Just keep going straight. There's no traffic in the circle.
Good, so you're not cutting into the other lane there as well. You're staying in your own lane when you're going around the circle. It's easy to lose track of that and you end up in...
Yeah.
Yeah.
80. Okay.
Kilometers. Those black fences along the swamp here, I thought that was to keep the water in the springtime in the swamp, but they're actually to keep the turtles in.
Oh.
They're turtle fences.
To keep them from crossing the road.
Yeah. I was like, what? And then one of my former